Hello students, welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I hope you all are fine and doing your studies well at your home. So my dear students, this is your subject teacher of maths. Today I am here with a new topic from chapter number 4, numbers up to 20 from your textbook. So my dear students, today's topic is comparing numbers. So today we will learn how to compare the numbers, and in this video we will learn how to identify the bigger number as well as smaller number. Students, as we know that when we compare two numbers, we will call them as the bigger number and the smaller number. So students, in your previous classes or in your previous standard, you already know about the bigger number and smaller number. In those classes you have do many activities, many questions like circle the bigger number or circle the smaller number, circle the greater number, biggest number. So there are lots of activities that you have done in your previous standard. So my dear students, let's learn how to identify the bigger or smaller number or more than or less than number. Students, first of all, look here. Circle the group which has more milk cartons. So students, look here, there are two groups. You have to circle the group which has more milk carton. So let's count the milk carton in both groups. So in first group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So students, in first group there are 6 milk carton, and in second group let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So students, in second group there are 7 milk cartons. So students, which group has more milk cartons? Yes, second group has more milk cartons. So here you have to circle the second group. Okay. Look here, next question. Circle the group which has less oranges. So students, let's count the oranges in both group. In first group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 oranges in first group. And now in second group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So students, here 6 oranges are given. Now here you have to tell which group has less oranges. So students, look at the number 8 and number 6. Who is less than? Yes, 6 is less than 8. So here we have to circle this group because this group has 6 oranges, which is less than 8. Now open page number 13 in your textbook, comparing numbers. smaller and bigger numbers. So students, in first question, count and take which has less and cross out which has more. So students, here you have to count and tick for less and cross for more. Okay, did you get it? Now the first one, look here. Let's count how many mangoes are in the first basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So in first there are 8 mango. Okay, and in next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So students, there are 10 mangoes in next basket. So in first basket there are less mango, then second basket mangoes. So here you have to take, and in next there are 10 mangoes, it means they are more than 8, so you have to cross here. Okay, now in next 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, there are 5 pencil, and in next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In second there are 9 pencil, and in first group there are 5 pencil. So 5 is less than 9. So here you have to tick, and in next there are more pencil than in first group. So here you have to cross like this. Okay, now next one. Jack has 4 balls, Aman has 2 balls. So students, look here. There are 4 balls in first group, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These balls are of Jack, and in second group there are 2 balls, 1 and 2. These balls are of Aman. So students, which number is more? Students, look here. 4 is more than 2. So we say 4 is greater than 2. So we write 4 is greater than 2. Now similar in next, Geeta has 1 doll, Diya has 2 doll. Geeta has 1 doll and Diya has 2 doll. So 1 is less than 2. So we say 1 is less than 2. We write 1 is less than 2. So students, to understood the concept of greater than and smaller than, I will tell you as a story in our next video. So at this time you have to practice the number smaller and the bigger. So here a short exercise is given. Count and write greater than or less than in the given circle. So students, in first you have to count here how many oranges are in first basket. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 oranges in first picture and there are 6 oranges in 5 is less than 6. So you have to put this symbol. Okay. And in next there are 2 ducks in the first one. 2 ducks. 2 ducks in the first one and 4 ducks in the second pond. So students, here 2 is less than 4. So you have to do this. I hope you understood the concept of smaller and bigger number. The concept of greater than and smaller than we will learn in our next video with a very interesting story of an alligator. Okay, so do practice this. At last, I can say, dear children, we are here to care for you, to help you to reach your dream, do your work and share your dreams to us and help us to make them true. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at your home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.